Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgie here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It is October 28th, 2010. We had a very interesting start to the morning. We had the dollar that was drifting lower at the time, down 40 to 50 cents. It proceeded to continue to fail, down 90 cents today. It's at 77.48. If we look at the last 2 days, the dollar has rallied about 99 cents over the last 2 days, and we've almost erased the 2-day gain here, all within just a few hours early this morning. It did support commodities early this morning. Corn was up about, or at the highs, up almost 8 cents. You had beans stronger today. Wheat was up over 20 cents at one point. But we ended up finishing corn only a penny and 3/4 higher. Beans were up a penny or down a penny and a half, and we had the wheat market up 15.5. Wheat's been staying strong due to the Australian weather. Is sitting dry here in their major wheat growing areas. Also, it's dry in the plains. We've got crop conditions there that are pretty poor right now for wheat. That's helping support the market. But if you look at where we had gone to on that December contract, we went right up to resistance here today. And of course, tomorrow being the end of the month, are we going to see some profit taking? Are we going to see us continue to go through that with hopes of new buying here first of the month? Or what's this election going to do? That's really what's going on, what guys are talking about across the news wires. But it does look like a strong close in wheat. Corn ended up closing today pretty strong as well. The beans look a little bit tired here and just really fell back here late in the session. We may find some follow-through selling here, maybe a little profit taken tomorrow, but we'll see how they react as well. Crude oil did not find much strength today as the dollar broke. Crude was higher, up 25 cents, sits at 82.20 right now. We are still looking for a little bit higher prices. We were buying dips right now. But as new money comes in next month, are we going to find some allocated to the energies? We'll have to wait and find out. We haven't seen that happen here over the last few months. But we've built a nice wedge formation on the charts. We went and we've tested both the high end of that wedge today and the low end. So we've got a nice consolidation going on right now. We're looking for a breakout here over the next few days as far as the energies. Just a matter of which way we're going to see this market go. If the dollar continues to pull back, we feel that we may end up continuing to see this energy market rally and may find some strength come under this thing as well. With all the rest of commodities sitting at high prices, crude oil really hasn't rallied yet. It's been kind of that dying dog, as they say, just because it just didn't do anything. It's not rallying at all. The metals did find some strength today, so it did react to the dollar. Previously in the week, did not react to the dollar. You saw the metals just under pressure, sat there under pressure, and hadn't done much. Well, with the dollar being down 90 cents, it did end up pushing gold up almost 20 bucks today. Silver up 50 cents. Those are some big rallies in the metals. And continuing to look pretty strong here and continuing with their uptrends as well. So if the dollar's going to continue to pull back, just like everything else, we're probably going to see these metals go up, test their highs, and potentially go through them and continue making new highs. As far as the soft markets, they were a little bit tired today, took a break after a very strong week almost across all the soft markets. You had sugar up 11 points today. You had cotton that was down 149 points. So about a penny and a half today after taking a pretty big loss yesterday as the market almost went down limit. But we did not see that limit move today. We've seen it kind of drift a little lower. It is still in an uptrend. I still think on cotton here you're going to see this market continue to rally. We're still looking for pullbacks as buying opportunities. You've got China's cotton mills still paying any price they can get their hands on for cotton. And so the cash market is still working higher than futures at this point and should end up supporting this market. I think it's just end-of-the-month profit taking more than anything. As far as coffee, that was another commodity that was pushing into new all-time highs. It was down about $3.15 today, and it's more or less just stops being hit, pushing the market down a little bit lower just with profit taken here at the end of the month. As far as livestock, you had fat cattle down 72, feeders down 60. You had the hogs down about 80 cents. So we did find pressure across the livestock industry. In the cattle, mostly due to the cash market here selling off and looking a little bit weaker this week. We traded $2.50 lower from last week, so that is helping pressure the cattle market and could continue to pressure that here into next week as well. As far as the hogs, weights are still coming in pretty heavy. The technical pattern here, the charts were damaged here today as we broke through support. We found stops being hit, pushed us quite a bit lower early. We were down almost $1.50 early in the session. We did come back a little bit here at the close, but still a weak close as we filled a gap and actually closed down below that today. So we may find further weakness yet in those hogs as well. I do want to mention we've got our conference coming up here at the end of January. You've got just one more day here to get signed up as far as getting our discounted rate of $99. And it'll be moved on Monday back up to $149. So get that discount now. You got $50 to save there if we can get that done either today or tomorrow. But give us a call here to do that, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. Have a great rest of the week. Take care.